Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya and we are discussing about structures in AVEVA PDMS. In this video, we will try to create a ring section. Okay, we will check the curved sections in the coming video. We will right now check the ring sections. So ring sections are basically used to create circles or arcs using the section profile. Okay, so it is not possible to create this circle or arc in one plane right now because we don't have any working plane. So if you try to select any point, it will always ask for selecting a working plane. Okay, so first we have to create a working plane and then you can go and create a section arc. Okay, so first we will go to utilities, go to working plane, and working plane dialog box will come, and in that you can have define a working plane. Okay, you can either pick where you want to take that working plane. Okay, or else you can always go with creating a new plane. Okay, so let us fix this first plane at origin, then we will go for the other options. So this is my origin working plane. I am just moving it towards south, say by 5000, so that it will be out from my structure and I can make it visible. So this is the working plane right now in which we are working on. Okay, you can also change the linear grids of a plane. You don't want spacing to be 1000, you want 100 by 100. Okay, you want labels to be displayed. Okay, so that will create grid. Okay, you can on off, or you can have the center point of a grid. Okay, or else you can directly have don't have the grids. Okay, so we will put it off. So this is basically a section which we are talking about, sorry, planes which we are talking about, and then after closing this, then you can have a circle or arcs on that plane. Okay, so first thing what we have to understand is circle definition can be of two types. One is about the arc and one is about the full circle. So you can have full curved section, a circle like a cylinder, and you can have arc sections. Okay, so right now I am trying to make a full circle. Now this full circles can be made with different options, through 3 points, through the center point and diameter. Then there are two fillet points you can have. There are a lot of options are available for creating different circles: 3 point derived diameter, 2 point derived diameter. Okay, so I will just try out 3 points. So I am selecting this point, selecting this 3 point option, snap points, and I'm just clicking on a plane, not element, any. I'm just clicking on plane anywhere that my circle will pass through those 3 points and a section will be created. Now for this section, this circle is very small, that's why it is looking like that. Okay, so basically a plane will give you different plane will give you the base to create sections. Okay, now that circle is getting created below my plane, I can flip that scene, that will be above my plane. Okay, okay, it is not flipping right now, but it will be flipped above that plane. And other options which you have are basically circle points, center radius points. There is create section ring point also, where you can have radius start point, end point, and radius options. So everything is available to create different radius. Generally radial sections, radial sections or ring sections are very rare. Okay, we don't use it quite often, but that option is available with AVEVA PDMS. I will just delete this circle. Okay, I can go to utilities, section plane, working plane, and make it active, deactivate, visible. Okay, I will activate it again. Okay, make it visible, and instead of that I will just say I want new plane. Okay, and in this case I will not go for the directions, I will go to snap point and I will try to snap this center point or the bottom point. Go with the top point. Okay, my plane will be shifted to that. The only thing is it is not shifted to the up direction, so I have to move it into up direction. I will just say 5000 and it will be perfectly top of my steel. Okay, now plane is created. I want to create sections into, I will go for ring options, and instead of full circle I will go for arc, and in this time I will go for 2 point circle, and I will just switch off the visibility of the plane. Utilities, working plane, I will just switch off the visibility. Now my plane is at this surface. I am just selecting a top point, ring start and ring stop. Okay, a ring will be created depending upon start point, it will go anti-clockwise. Okay, for the arc, what you can do is you can flip the scene, which will make it clockwise, and my full ring will be created. Now I can use that ring as a structure. Okay, now it is connected to my structure. So this is how you can basically create a ring structure in AVEVA PDMS. That option is available in AVEVA PDMS to create ring structures using arcs, full circles. Lot of creation methods are available, and only problem is you have to first start with the working plane, define the working plane at the perfect point, and then you can start creating a ring sections. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video. If you like the content, do share my channel with your friends, subscribe my channel, keep following for the latest updates on AVEVA PDMS. Thank you for joining.